Hello RVers.
And future RVers.
On our YouTube channel, you'll find a wide variety of videos for all types of RVers, from beginners to weekend warriors to even full-time RVers.
Right, so we think that if you are interested in learning how to RV or more about RVing, you came to the right place.
Yep, we are Mike
and Susan,
and we created the RVblogger YouTube channel so that we can share everything we've learned about RVing over the years with you.
Absolutely. We fell in love with RVing because we believe it's the best way to travel, sightsee, spend time with the family, vacation, and just be free.
Yep. And in our videos, we'll try to save you as much time and money as we can. We cover topics like RV repair and maintenance.
Right. And then our favorite camping gear and memberships.
And we only recommend stuff that we actually use, by the way.
Right. And then we also have done a ton of RV tours and reviews, gone to RV shows, gone to dealerships.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so we try to bring you the latest models of what's out there and what you might like to see.
Yeah. If you want to shift control in your life and escape to RV living, then join the millions of viewers who have watched our videos, and go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below so you'll be notified every week when we release a brand new video.
Thanks for subscribing.